Hello, good morning, children. Welcome back to AMCG Max. So today we are going to see one problem of IOQM, which is given based on polynomials. So here, consider a set f of all polynomials whose coefficients are in the set of 0, 1. Let g of x is x cube plus x plus 1. The number of polynomials p of x in f of degree 14 such that the product of p of x and g of x is also in f. So here, first of all, understanding this problem is very important now. So here, polynomial is given, okay, whose degree is 14. We have to find the number of polynomials whose degree is 14. So here the quotients of the polynomial should be from 0, 1, set to 0, 1. So here what is given first of all. So P of x into Q of x is equal to x power 14 plus some polynomial will get into x cube plus x plus 1. So this, how many numbers are there, we have to find the number of polynomials. So here if we take first case, so here case 1. So if all the terms are 0, then what will get P of x is equal to x power 14. X power 14. So P of x is equal to x power 14 plus x alpha. So this alpha is equal to, you may get 0, 9, 8 up to 1 up, or you may get 0 also. So here total you will get 11 cases. If P of x is equal to x to the power of 14 plus x alpha plus x beta, okay, then what you will get? So here we are having some conditions. Alpha is equal to 10. Then beta will be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Alpha is 10. Then beta will be 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If alpha is 9, then beta will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If alpha is 8, if alpha value is 8, then beta value will be 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Alpha value 7. So beta value is 3, 2, 1, 0. Alpha value is 6. So beta value will be 2, 1, 0. So here we are going to the next so here alpha value is 5. Alpha value is 5. Then beta value will be 1 and 0. Alpha value is 4. Beta value will be 0. So here total we are getting 25 cases. So here if P of x is x power 14 plus x power alpha plus x power beta plus x power gamma. So alpha value 10, then beta value will be 6, gamma value will get 210. So alpha value is 10, beta value is 5. So gamma value will be 1 comma 0. Alpha value 10, beta value 4, gamma value will be 0. So total you'll get 6 cases here. So here alpha value is 9, beta value will be 5, gamma value will be 1 0. So beta value is 4, so gamma value will be 0. Here you'll get 3 cases. So total number of polynomials, okay, total number of polynomials, what you are having, 1 plus 11 plus 25, 25 plus 25 or 28, 28 maybe, 6 plus 3 plus 1, so total will get 50 cases. Okay, so I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching. I am CG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching. I am CG Max Olympiad.